Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook account. So first you have to launch your Facebook app on your mobile device. And after you landed to your Facebook newsfeed, you have to tap on your profile just right here. And when you landed to your profile, so in order to lock your profile, we have to tap on the three dot section just beside the edit profile. And here we could see just below the view as there's a lock profile option right here. Select that option, and on the bottom you could see there's a lock your profile. Tap on that, and here we could see a message pops out that you locked your profile and only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. So this is how to lock your Facebook account. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.